Pride Movers Packers Company in Bahrain. Reasonable price. Safely moving packing. Unpacking, loading, unloading furniture, dismantle, assemble, expert. In household items, shifting, services, all over Bahrain. Professional movers and packers in Bahrain. Trusted moving company, professional carpenter labor and cover transport. More details please WhatsApp 3363-864. Are you looking professional movers and packers company? Contact WhatsApp or mobile 33,632,864 www.bahrainmoverspackers.com.